stable CU electric 3-phase permanent magnet synchronous variable speed motors. Combining the advantages of compact size, high torque, constant torque, high efficiency, low temperature rise, low noise, wide frequency range, and easy installation. The product line includes parallel shaft PMSM, L-type PMSM, right angle hollow shaft PMSM, and right angle solid shaft PMSM. Compatible with TS100, TS200, and TS300 series speed controllers. Also available are vertical medium-sized geared permanent magnet synchronous motors and horizontal medium-sized geared permanent magnet synchronous motors, specifically developed for high-power applications. These require the use of ST300, ST310, and ST320 series VFD, providing you with efficient and stable power solutions.